Yesterday we basically just came here, had a cookout, and then we learned a little bit about what Mandala Fellowship is, what the program was about.
So what were you guys expecting? It says retreat. What do you think? Chill? That could be a little bit chill, but it'll also be some work. We're doing math tomorrow. Anybody like math?
What we started off with was a lot of mathematics and just learning about how math kind of originates and how it encompasses with music.
It was challenging. It was about a 3.5-hour session. We did basic math, SAT, prep type stuff. We did physics, but it was all very easy to understand, and she made it real plain for us.
A day for Mandela would start off getting up at 7, I guess eating breakfast. It's pretty early for me. From there you go and you do math for 3.5 hours, I believe. That seems like a long time, but I mean, for instance, we did it today and it wasn't all that bad, actually. It was kind of enjoyable.
They just have a love for math and life that it excites you. It makes you want to learn math. It's a good feeling. It's crazy.
Like my college classes now, like I'm taught to pass a test. I'm not taught how to just remember the information and really learn how and what it is. It's just to pass the test, to get good grades.
You're not just passing tests to get credits, so that at the end of however many semesters you get a degree, you're learning to enjoy God's nature and God's creation.
The music in Mandela Fellowship is getting them together to play different instruments. We'll be learning piano. I think that's a really good basis for understanding music and starting an instrument. I've had a lot of courses in music appreciation, and I think it's really hard to really appreciate music if you're not either listening to music or if you're not playing music. I'll be asking them what instruments they want to learn, and hopefully we'll get those instruments into the program. Music is another side of math. It's the same kind of brain work that you're using. There's a little bit more muscle memory than math. We'll be looking at music to see God's nature, to see beauty. We'll be looking at the creative process in music. Hopefully they'll be able to create music, write songs, lyrics. We'll be talking about some poetry. We'll have a choir. The music department is not going to be set up with all these ideas that I have, trying to give them the same ideas. We're going to be bouncing ideas off each other. I mean, that's why we're calling it a fellowship, because we really want to be in discussion about these things. My whole goal is just to get them to see the beauty of music, the real reason why God gave us the gift of music, and then pursue that, not just with listening, but pursue with trying to play an instrument.
It's not like you just see the sky anymore, or you just see the way things, it's how everything seems to work together, especially in the universe, in the solar system. Like harmony between all the different stars or everything in this earth, it all like works together. It's not just like a bunch of bits and pieces, it's all one universe. Mandela really like pulls that out so you can really see it and marvel at it.
As a new college student, it's been hard for me to defend myself, especially in like my biology class where my teacher's like, evolution, you know, that's the option, that's all you need to learn. And on the test, like, on my test last semester, I had to go against my beliefs to answer one of her questions because I know it would be correct when I answered it her way. But being here has just really inspired me to be able to defend myself and defend my beliefs with science and not to be scared of it.